Oh, sheep. I don't think I brought my shears. I should have. You need shears to shear a sheep.
I see.
Where'd you go?
I'm not sure.
I feel like I should be able to see you. Oh, there you are.
Oh, you see me? Where are you?
I see you.
Oh,
I'm right in front of you.
oh.
Behind you.
Hello,
Are you... Why do you have your sword out?
There's so many animals.
Yes, beautiful, innocent animals.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Why do I get a weird feeling right now?
I don't know. Is your tummy okay?
Well, I guess I'm just nervous that... Mumei!
What? Where are you?
Mumei!
Where are you?
I saw that.
What?
I saw what you did to that cow.
I don't even know what I did.
I
What?
saw that.
I think you're seeing things.
That cow.
You might be seeing things.
I saw it with my own eyes. In my own stream. Would you show me what's in your inventory then?
Sure. Well, yeah, sure.
Yeah?
What do you want? Here, I have a lot of things. You can have some wood, some more wood. Sorry about the wood. I understand that may be a bit uncomfortable for you. And then, oh my goodness, Lana, you gotta see this. All these berries. Oh my goodness, look at look, just raining berries.
Yeah,
Look at
I
all
have
of
a
it.
feeling there's something else too.
No, I still have a lot of space. I mean, I have a... Oh, it looks like it's getting dark. Maybe we should go to sleep and be unconscious for a little bit.
No, don't worry.
You know
I'm
what?
just not tired yet.
Would you actually look at that sky? Look at the sunset.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Would you like to watch the sunset together?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe let's get a better view.